What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel with another video, self-rebuild. In today's video we'll be doing something different. I'll be replacing the airbag module. If you guys remember, when I got a car, all airbag was blown, so today I'll be replacing the airbag module. So I will take it off and send it to a company to reset it. So the first thing you want to do is to disconnect the battery to make sure that any energy from the battery out of the car. Is really important because you don't want, the airbag to blow, So I would disconnect the battery and wait for maybe 30 for an hour before I start disconnecting everything. Okay, so first thing, let's disconnect the battery. Right, so I disconnect the battery. So to make sure there is no terminal that touch the battery terminal or anything, I just took it off. You can keep it there and use like a rag like that to protect the battery terminal, but I'm like, you know what, let me take it out. It's about airbag, so let it be safe. All right, so now it's disconnected. We go inside the car. All right, wait for the 30 minutes already, an hour or whatever you want. So let's go back inside the car. All right, so now that the battery is disconnected for 30 or an hour, we go back here and you have two bolts from this side and the other side. Those are 7mm that we're going to remove. First out, put that here, and I will go over back in the other side here. All right. All right, they're out. So make sure that is movable. Okay, all right, so we remove those two 7mm. So we will go back in the front now. Now that we're in the front, we need a Phillips screwdriver. You see this thing over there have to be removed, so I feel like you will need a Phillips screwdriver and something like that, but use your Phillips screwdriver, to remove it. And you see, it came out really easily. And you can pull it and use something like that and you remove it. Okay, when it's out, you do the same in the other side. So now we remove this little tab from this side. You go ahead and you pull. Okay, don't be scared. Don't be scared. Nothing gonna. All right. So you do the same in the other side. Now that we remove this side, I will say go ahead and disconnect everything. So disconnect this one. All right. And the second one, you disconnect it too. Okay. All right. So you have another one which is hiding in the back that need to go to. So I have my little tab that we use. Okay, clear my way. Okay, so when I finish this, I will need to disconnect the one that is hidden inside there. Okay, right, everything have been disconnected on this side. 1, 2, 3. So now we can go to the other side. So the next thing, I will need to remove this panel. Okay, but I'll be more comfortable on the other side, so I'm about to go in the other side. So to remove this panel, this one will be a problem. So to make sure that we have no issue, I will have to put this one. Now let's put the brake. Now you have a something pink over there, right? That I will have to push and put that on reverse. Okay, so now I will use my trim to be careful to not mess anything up. I'll do the same on this side too. Okay, all right, so hopefully you see well. Make sure to not break anything. Okay, all right. Woo. Let's see, I think I'm all right. So I came back to this side. You need something like that. All right, it's out. It's out. So you have some connector in the back. Disconnected, and is out. So let's check if we messed up anything. Okay. Everything is right, so it's good. So we put it in the back. So when we're done with that, we have these two bolts that need to go. So you will need an 8mm to remove those two bolts here. All right. They're out. Put it in my secure plastic bag. Okay, so now you'll be able to move it. Okay, let's go to the next step now. All right, so those one need to be disconnected finally. So I'll go ahead and I disconnect this one easy, and this is the USB cord, and I use my trim tool to remove it. Okay, so we remove it. All right, so now we remove it, we can remove the center console. We have to lift from the back. Okay, and you see that it come out really easy. Okay, but we have one more plug that need to come out. All right, we have one more plug that need to come out, but to be honest, I can leave it like that. Okay, just gonna put it on the side here. Right, so now we move everything. It's time to disconnect the airbag module. It's a little dirty, but you have two big connectors. You have to push these things here. You push it and you pull this one, push it and you pull this one. All right, so that's all you got to do. So when you're done that, you need a 10mm socket, and okay. So remove this too. All right. Oh, actually, you have another one here. I didn't even know. So you have another one I need. So I'll remove that too. Put it on the other side, and now you can remove the plug. Okay, so it's out, and this is how you remove a airbag module. It's really easy, really easy. If I was not recording, honestly, that's a less than 30-minute job. You know, disconnected the battery, you know, let's say 5-10 minutes for that, and 20 minutes to remove these things. Really easy. And to put it back, I would say 10 to 15 minutes. In total, 45 minutes, less than an hour. Really easy process. And to put it back, you use the same way you used to take it off. Really easy. So hopefully you guys learned anything today. Hopefully I gave a lot of help today. Thanks for watching, and next time I'm not going to show the process of how to put everything back together, but I will give you the result when I get it back. I will set it to safety restore. Okay, so when they reset everything up, I will put it back, clear everything, and if I have any issue, I will let you know. I will let you know how I resolve my issue, and I will keep you updated. All right, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Self Rebuild. Peace.